I'm Airi, a Japanese student from Waseda University, currently studying at ELA in the Academic English course. This course is basically designed for university preparation, so we focus on academic reading, writing, presentation, and listening to lectures. Before this, I took the General English course as well, where I improved my basic English skills through many kinds of activities. I'm especially grateful for the academic clinic. They support students with any study-related concerns. For example, when I felt my class didn't suit me, I told them that I wanted to switch. Then, they immediately put me in a new one, which really improved my experience. I also enjoyed school-organized activities like hiking trips and campus tours. At first, I had no friends and found it so hard to connect with people. But joining these events helped me make new friends. One of my favorite was Meet to Chat, where we practiced English through fun discussions. I also enjoyed chatting with local university student volunteers. Another fun part was the English All-Around campaign. Teachers gave out stickers when we used English outside class. It motivated me to keep using English every day. New Zealand is a multicultural country with many chances to learn other cultures, and I really enjoyed living here. I have made a lot of international friends through local events and enjoyed spending time with them after class, which really helped me improve my English and create precious memories. After finishing my course, I'll go back to Japan to continue my major. I believe choosing ELA was a good decision. Though you might encounter several challenges as you study abroad, I'm sure you can get over them with great support from this school. I hope you make amazing memories here at ELA.